You know, every now and then a glober teaches you something. It's not often, but it does happen. So a big thanks to Craig Brown, who left me this marvellous comment teaching me about Mount Taranaki. If Craig had never mentioned this, I probably wouldn't have come across, in my opinion, the best flat earth proof I have seen up to now. This is Mount Taranaki in New Zealand, and it can be viewed 230 kilometres away from Wellington on a good seeing day. Craig pointed me to this photo. Now, this type of photo I've seen many times, and globers are hopeless at comprehending what they are seeing. When you do the analysis on this type of photo, you will find every time that it neither favours a globe or a flat earth. The math doesn't fit either model. Now, the globers will say if you have extreme refraction, it might favour a globe and vice versa for a flat earth. But if it doesn't fit either model, then there must be something else at play. For the flat earth researchers out there like myself, who do long-range observations over water, they will already know what I'm about to say. And that is that every time you observe long-distance objects over the ocean with your P900, you will see mirroring of the bottom part of the object. This happens every single time when filming over the ocean. Here is a clip I filmed from Dalyellup to Cape Naturalist Lighthouse, 55 kilometres away. Well, if you get severe mirroring at 55 kilometres over ocean, you know the mirroring over 230 kilometres will be there for sure. You simply cannot film long distances over the ocean and expect everything in the bottom part of the image to be crystal clear. It just doesn't work that way in reality. What we need is an infrared shot of Mount Taranaki from Wellington. Now that would really tell us what's going on. Well, guess what I found on YouTube? Mount Taranaki from Wellington using a P900 infrared camera, the same setup as my camera in the footage I showed before. Okay, so in my humble opinion, what you're about to see is the best flat earth proof I have seen to date. I know that's a big call, but the amount of missing curvature in the footage you're about to see is mind-boggling. You see, Craig's image is from 300 meters elevation, so the math doesn't really do anything for me. In the following footage, the elevation is 96 meters. Let's repeat that and let it sink in. The camera elevation is 96 meters and the distance is 214 kilometers. That gives us 2,514 meters target hidden height. Hang on, what's the elevation of Mount Taranaki? 2,518 meters. Oops, hang on. So none of Mount Taranaki should be visible from 96 meters. Okay, roll the tape. Oh man, it must be a cloud shaped exactly like Mount Taranaki. What a coincidence. To spot the mirroring, look at the left-hand side where it looks like it goes straight down. That's a telltale sign of where the mirroring is starting. So under this line, we are simply seeing a mirroring of what's above the line. That is why you can't look at a photo like this and say everything at the base of the mountain has disappeared. You're just not going to get that level of detail at 214 kilometers away. So I guess it's game, set and match, and I may as well finish the video here. But wait, there's more, much more. You see, I've been tricking about the 96 meters elevation. Our photographer Paul has also done, wait for it, a 41 meter elevation, and again captured most of the mountain. Roll the tape. So at 210 kilometers away at a 41 meter elevation, 2,748 meters should be hidden. So the whole mountain, plus 230 meters, should be completely hidden from view. And notice the same amount of mountain is in view from both the 96 and the 41 meter elevations, just as the flat Earth would predict. So, can everyone give Craig Brown a huge big thank you for helping us find the best flat Earth proof to date? Thanks, Craig. You're the best.